Hello, everybody. This is Freakin' Rican from Freakin' Rican News Network, and I'd like to bring you a story about this preacher that was arrested at South Pittsburg Cornbread Festival. This was a couple weeks ago, I believe, and these officers are telling them that they got a call for a complaint about a preacher sitting on public property preaching. And here's a little bit of the video.
The only way it's going to be challenged, if you're going to arrest me for it, you're going to
I'm not going to arrest you.
I love you guys. I don't want this to happen to your city or your police.
Well, me and you going to come to an agreement.
I really don't want this to happen to your city.
I don't either.
Because I'm going to tell you, I carried the cross in Dunlap. I carried across in Chattanooga.
And you can go carry it wherever you want to carry it. I don't care.
But
today I'm receiving complaints.
Well, you know why you're receiving complaints?
I don't care what I'm receiving. All I'm trying to do is resolve the situation.
Well, here's the situation.
Okay.
I have the constitutional right to carry and stand on the cross on public property if I'm not blocking any facility and if I'm not going on what's considered private property at this point because it's cordoned off. And you notice I did that. I didn't go in there. Okay. And I have the constitutional right that's been challenged in Tennessee, Ohio, all over the country, by other street ministers.
I have no knowledge.
And I will not cease from my constitutional right to tell people about Jesus. I'm going to just tell you, brother, and it's not nothing mean to you. I know you're responding from a call. And the call came from somebody who was offended by the cross. And they're offended by the gospel. And you know what? It's because if I tell somebody how to be saved and they don't like that, they're going to call you and say I'm offended. I'm not stopping anybody from going in. Matter of fact, the first things I said, it's a beautiful day. Enjoy the festival. Enjoy the day that the Lord has made. Okay?
All right, here's the deal. Okay. You want to stand out here and talk? You can stand out here and talk, but you can't do it over there. You got to shut that off.
Okay, it's all right now. That's fine. I got a good voice. The only reason this is not.
And the only other thing that I'm going to ask you to do is we're going to move up one block and get away from the gate. Okay.
Okay.
So now he wants them to move a block away. Now notice he's on a sidewalk. Here's a fire extinguisher. He's in front of it. And he's telling them to move a block away.
Now,
I will. I'll do that. No problem at all.
You stand here, you want to argue with me, we ain't even got to a solution yet.
No,
now here's the deal. Okay. If I get another complaint, it will cease because you gotta listen to me.
Okay.
On your own testimony, you just stood here and told me you have the right? Okay. And that you offended someone. Okay, so I'm to let you stand here and continue to offend, to impose your thoughts and your beliefs on someone else who doesn't want to. So if I've got 10,000 people in here that don't want to hear it, and you've got one person who does.
Well, let me ask you a question.
Okay, we're not asking no more questions.
Well, I want to ask you a question.
Okay, I'll listen.
My wife's videotaping this, but I'm going to ask you a question. If I was standing on a corner,
yes, sir,
telling somebody about my politics, and I ain't going to tell you about my politics.
Okay.
But if I was standing on telling somebody else about my politics,
yes,
okay, and they were of the other political plane, okay.
And this went on for a while. I'll put the original link down in the description. But there's a part 2. I'll put both in. And after conversation back and forth, now you notice how this is the road. It's public.
Stand here.
I can stand right here, and I don't have to leave here.
You do. This is not public.
Yes, it is.
Underneath the land agreement that they have for the festival, they have it all the way up to there.
Okay, I need to see that land agreement. I do not have it here now. The city. Well, I will not cease and exist.
Yes, sir, you will.
I'm sorry. I do not want to go to jail on a Sunday.
Then sir, why do?
Because you're
we-
violating our constitutional
Because
rights.
God is my God, and I am not going to let my constitutional rights be violated. The Lord Jesus Christ sent me to preach the gospel.
Please, right here. Calm down.
Well, then I'll go right to that corner, and that was what you said the first time, and we have it on videotape.
Yes,
but
sir.
I'm not going to go all the way down to the bridge because I'm on public property right now.
If you
and
do
I
not
didn't go
calm
that way.
down right now and
I'm
lower your
not-
voice.
I'm calm. I'm calm.
Now see how this officer just got triggered. He's upset that this man knows his rights, and he's been talking back and forth with this guy for a while now, and now he's upset. So now he's going to raise his voice.
No, you're raising your voice.
No, that's the machine saving my voice. I'm
No,
calm.
you just told me that it had nothing to do with it. Turn
I'm-
it off while you're talking to me.
I'm calm. Well, are you going to go with what you said the first time?
No, sir.
Okay.
Now I'm telling you.
So the first time what you said, me go up there without the megaphone, doesn't count anymore. And we do have it on videotape.
Yes, sir.
I mean, why do we want to go to court? You know, I'm not the city. I'll be honest with you, I don't want to go to
All you're
court.
doing is bringing a person's attention out here that we don't need.
No,
Between
well,
me
you know
and you.
what? Y'all are
lengthy.
bringing that attention because you're violating.
Just walk with him,
Before
too.
I knew what?
Just walk with him, see where he puts you.
Okay.
You need it on the wheel, baby.
No, I'm going to carry it like this.
Okay.
So he tells him to come up to here, and the video didn't finish it off, but
We've been challenged. The only way it's going to be challenged is you're going to arrest.
it says Terry House has been street preaching for 25 years, but something out of the ordinary happened outside of the National Cornbread Festival over the weekend. I've never really had the police called on me for street preaching, House said, especially on a Sunday morning in a small town in the South. Said South Pittsburg police responded to a complaint of Terry's preaching outside of the National Cornbread Festival entrance, and he was told to move. The police chief said House was violating a private property agreement between the city and the festival. We obtained a copy of the property use agreement. It does not mention private property guidelines. It says he was arrested and taken to the Marion County Jail. He was charged with disorderly conduct and released on a $500 bond. If they realize they can't stop somebody from speaking in a public place, that would be a victory, his wife said. The attorney says, in America, there's a lot of things that can be said under freedom of speech as long as you don't talk about overthrowing the government, and even that has a lot of freedom. We have a lot of rights than other people in the world. And it says, we reached out to the public department and was told an arrest report would be completed by Thursday night or Friday. The National Cornbread Festival Committee President Beth Duggar said the event is not connected to any agreement. She stated that the situation is between House and the police. So this man had his rights violated because somebody got offended of his preaching or whatever he was saying to them. They were offended, so they called the police and got this man arrested. And now there's probably going to be a lawsuit, and it's all because, you know, somebody was offended and the cop didn't like that he knew his rights. This happens everywhere, folks. We need to keep recording the police, keep gathering evidence, know your rights, flex your rights. This is Freakin' Rican from Freakin' Rican News Network, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.